Have you ever noticed how confusing body signals can create anxiety? Something small happens like dry lips, and suddenly your mind just starts racing. Am I dehydrated? Is there something wrong with my skin? Why do my lips keep peeling? So you drink more water. You apply more lip balm. You search the internet for answers, but the dryness keeps coming back. And that's when frustration sets in. But what if the real problem isn't your lips? What if the real problem was a lack of clarity? Because when we understand what the body is doing, something powerful happens. Clarity creates calm. Hi, I'm Janice Story with AJ's EO Infusions. I'm a nurse and I created this brand because I believe that wellness doesn't come from complicated routines. It comes from simple daily rituals that help us connect with our body. And today we're talking about one of the most common questions that people search online. Why are my lips always dry? Quick disclaimer. This podcast is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended to replace medical advice from your healthcare provider. Always consult a qualified professional for any medical concerns. Many people assume that dry lips mean one thing, dehydration. So they drink more water. But here's something that most people don't realize. Your lips are different from the rest of your skin. The skin on your lips does not contain any oil glands, which means that your lips don't naturally produce the oils needed to keep themselves moisturized. So when your lips start feeling dry, the instinct to apply lip balm again and again and again is real. But sometimes these habits create something I call the dry lip cycle. The more product we apply, the more we rely on the product to create moisture, and eventually the lips stop regulating themselves. So dryness just becomes a daily experience, not because your body is broken, but because the cycle keeps repeating. As a nurse, I've learned something important about our body. Our body is constantly communicating with us. Dry lips can sometimes be signals like environmental dryness, stress, habitual lip licking, or simply the way that we've been caring for our lips. But when we don't understand those signals, we start assuming that something is wrong. And that confusion can create unnecessary anxiety. But when we understand what's happening, everything changes. Instead of reacting from frustration, we respond with intention. Think about how often we do this with our own body. We feel a symptom and then we immediately jump to worry. But sometimes the body isn't malfunctioning. It's just simply asking for a moment of care, a moment of attention, a moment of ritual. And that is where slow beauty comes in. Not more products, not more complicated routines, just a simple moment to reconnect. Clarity creates calm. When you understand why your lips feel dry, the frustration softens. Instead of constantly chasing a quick fix, you begin to build a ritual, small ritual, that supports your body. And that ritual doesn't need to take 10 minutes. Sometimes it only takes 30 seconds. One simple ritual that I encourage people to try is what I call the lip ritual. It's a 30-second moment of care. Gentle exfoliation of the lips while nourishing oils like lavender, peppermint, and frankincense. You breathe slowly, allowing your body to relax and giving your lips the support they need to reset. Because sometimes the smallest rituals create the biggest shifts. If you'd like to learn more about the lip ritual and how it works, you can explore it on AJ's Infusions website. You'll find the full ritual and the lip butter scrub that was designed specifically for this simple practice, because lip care doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes clarity is the most common thing that we can give ourselves.
If today's episode brought you clarity, explore the Luxury Lip Ritual through the link in the description, a simple 30-second ritual designed to support naturally soft lips. Until next time, take a breath, trust your body, and keep glowing.